My name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be making potato wedges, and do give it a thumbs up if you do like the video and share it with your friends on social media, and I'd love it if you subscribe to help me get my numbers up so more people can see the videos. And there you have your lovely potato wedges. Right, with the potato wedges that I like to cook, I like to keep the skin on. Obviously, if you don't like the skin, you take them off, but I prefer it with. And I make nice big chunky wedges, about this kind of size, and I steam them. So you can get the electric steamers, or you can get ones like this, and you just put that over a pot of boiling water. So you literally just cut them up and put them in the steamer, and you boil them for, or steam them for about 10 minutes, parboiling them. So if you put your knife through it when you test it, they're still a little bit hard, but you can put your knife through. So there's your pot of boiling water, and you simply just put your steamer on the top and a lid on the top and let that cook for 10 minutes. Okay, I've got a nice hot pan here, and I'm going to put some olive oil. We're going to add some paprika, turmeric. Turmeric gives it a lovely colour, as well as having all the health benefits. We're going to add some mixed herbs, some ground ginger, some oregano, some basil, some parsley, and we're going to season with some salt and some black pepper. Now this is optional, but I like Cojon seasoning. We're going to give that a good mix around with the olive oil, and you're going to put your parboiled potatoes into the olive oil, and you're going to get a fork or some tongs and just mix the olive oil around so it covers all the wedges, and it gives it lots of lovely flavour as well as some lovely colouring, and they look delicious when they come out the oven, and they smell gorgeous. They're so easy to do. Some people prefer to have the potatoes raw and mix them in a bowl, but I personally prefer to parboil them just for that 5-10 minutes at least, because otherwise sometimes you could get them where they're not quite cooked properly, and that would spoil them. And all that lovely olive oil will soak up with all the spices and herbs, and it will just be delicious. So now look how lovely they look before you even put them in the oven, and they really do smell nice. So they've all had a good soaking of the olive oil and herbs and spices, and they really do look lovely. So I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'll show you them when they come out. Okay, we'll just take these potato wedges out now. I'll turn them over halfway, and I'll just test them with a knife. Oh yep, they're lovely and soft, perfect. So these are lovely. They go with anything, or you can just eat them on their own. And there you have your lovely potato wedges. Hello, thank you for watching Lifestyle with Sharon on how to make potato wedges. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'd love to hear your comments. I look forward to doing another video for you.